Check out this street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1937 Ford street rod. Actually a Downs body. It does have a Carson removable top, and we'll get to that here in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, high performance 350 small block Chevy power. That is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Polished aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Let's take a look at the 37 front end on this car. Custom flame paint job. Does come with a car cover included in the purchase. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So Downs body, glass body car. As you can see, paint shows well. Nice reflection. Good shine in that black. Cool color combination with the flames. Ultra leather, custom interior, tees seats. Tilt column. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer. It does have power windows also. As you can see, no door handles. As far as battery location, relocated to the trunk. There's a dead man switch back here on the battery. There is also a, I guess you could call it an emergency switch if you wanted to get in over here in the cubby on the driver's side. There's a button you can push that will roll down this rear window, so if you had to reach in and pop the door, you could open it, so you just go in through the trunk, kind of like they do in the modern days with the Corvette and the XLRs. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The cover we're going to put on here in a bit, just have it set off to the side. So it's kind of a cloth finished cover. Nice and firm though, it's sturdy. There's no doubt about that. Carson removable top. And all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, independent front suspension on this car, serpentine belt system, aluminum radiator up there with dual fans. Does have a boxed frame. And you'll be able to check out a lot of that stuff in the still pictures where you can see the underside, engine bay. If you're into street rods, maybe like old Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our website and showroom floor, all of the above. Here's that ultra leather interior with the T seats. Power window switches on the door panels right here. As far as the door latch, it's kind of hidden. Cool look, it's right underneath here where you just push, unlatch the door. Seat backs do recline. You can see a little bit of wear on the seat surface. I can tell you what a few of these switches are for here. Right here, this is your parking lights. Underneath, there's a toggle switch for the electric fan. Headlight switch, obviously. The rear power windows are center and right underneath here. Obviously, AC controls and heat controls. Heat and AC both work. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Full aftermarket tach. Temp gauge, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Oil pressure, battery, and fuel gauge. Nice sounding car. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay also. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this thing for a ride, show you how this street ride goes down the road. Definitely be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And best of all, you bring grandkids with, friends with, plenty of seating space. All right, let me get this hood popped. Let's check out that engine bay. And we'll also put that Carson top on so you can see how it looks with the top on too. All right, here's a little peek at that engine bay. It's gonna be a lot easier to see it in the still pictures. Take your time looking through it. So HEI ignition, 4-barrel carb, a lot of chrome, bright work underneath there. You can also see the aluminum radiator, but kind of tough to see with the limited space. And trying to get the camera in there is a little bit difficult, but you get the idea. Nice looking engine bay. Wouldn't be afraid to raise the hood at a car show. No doubt about that. All right, let me go ahead and pause this one more time and let's get that removable top on. Check out how it looks. Wrap up this walk around video. Stick around to the end though. Jason's gonna take it for a drive. And here's the top on. It does take 2 people to set that on and off. 4 latches. Goes on easy enough, but the size of it, take 2 people. All right, so fabric, finished, black. Nice shape. This car's got a nice look to it on, kind of a chop top look. And again, you'll be able to see the windows up in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the top on, top off. So tons of still pictures on the street rod. Tinted glass too, by the way, on it. So know your local and state laws with percentage of window tint that you can have. Looks good. Convertible that looks good with the top up on it also. 1937 Ford street rod. This is a Downs body with that Carson removable top. High performance 350 underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1937 Ford sedan street rod with a removable top and some great flames painted on this nice black paint job. We have a tall floor shift for the automatic right here. Automatic, so it is easy to drive. There is a tachometer mounted to the column by Moon, which is one of the vintage companies, and it fits the aesthetic very well. Water temperature is about 170. Speedometer right here working well. Oil pressure is 50. Battery is a little under 12 right now. The fuel gauge, 3 3/4 of a tank. This car started up and idled nicely right away, easy to drive. We do have vintage air and it does blow cold. I've got a little belt squeal when I used it. Nice riding car, comfortable car. Kind of laid back, some leather seats of a very particular color that you don't see very often. Nice stitching work on the headliner. Great aftermarket steering wheel. We've got the aluminum wheel in the back with finger grips. Brakes are working well. Nice power brakes. Power steering, easy to steer. Corners nice and flat. Hot rod sound. Super fun to drive. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.